What is it, kitty? What is it, kitty? Are we waiting for something? How did you know? Look at that. How did you know? Once I remove the headlight, it's gonna hang, okay? These two is gonna be in the bottom over here. So I'm gonna push this inside and up. Then I'm gonna put the nuts right back in. So that way it holds the mount. That's part one. Once the headlight is hanging, you're gonna take your other mounts. It's gonna be just like this. This is gonna be holding, that nut's gonna be holding right there. And the other one is gonna be just like this. So that's how it's gonna be like. All right, now it's time to test it.